all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why?
So we are at the doctor's office. It's your 6-month checkup, Mama. Yeah, he said hi to YouTube. So I have not been vlogging. I have not been vlogging because I don't be having nothing to vlog. But I thought I'd vlog today, so. All right, Melody. We are back from the doctor's appointment. She did so good. Huh, Mama? Y'all see a little ponytail, little ponytail at the top? Hey, get it, stink. Go stinker. Go stinker. All right, so I'm about to chill. I'm about to eat. I've been meal prepping, so let me go get my food, y'all. So yeah, I've been meal prepping for like the past 4 or 5 days, almost the whole week. I've been meal prepping for me and my fiance. I actually am about to look into having someone do it for me because it's a lot of work to meal prep for 2 people, y'all. But we are cutting back on eating out, so that's what I'm about to do. Eat my meal prep right now and then work on some stuff, and then yeah. All right, so this is the meal prep I got, y'all. I made it myself. Salmon, lemon, and some potatoes with a little bit of parsley. Fire!
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to.
What's up? What's up, YouTube? Happy Thursday. It is Thursday, and as you can see, I already fed my baby some cereal. Trying to get her to eat more, real foods. Oh, you got something to say to YouTube? Mama, say hi to YouTubes. Okay, anyways, yeah, trying to get her to eat more baby foods. I don't know if is that called solids? It's real food, more real food, pretty much. So at her doctor's appointment, they said her doctor said to feed her breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So yeah, we're working on that. So I need to look at my planner, see what's on the planner today. No school today. It is kind of cold outside, so yeah.
There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
So I end up making chicken fries, onions, bell peppers, a little bit of fries, a little bit of salad. It's really good, really.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe, I don't mind.
Ooh, you nosy. You saw at the camera, you was like, I gotta stop. Happy Saturday. So guys, it's Saturday. Trying to go live today. Mamas Be Live, hashtag. I started Mamas Be Live to go live with mamas on Instagram and YouTube once or twice a month. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Mommy Terry Lee. I'm going live tonight, which is really soon. So yeah, I'm gonna record some of that behind the scenes. So yeah.
It's rising and the stars are coming out. But we're missing cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need an hour with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Hey guys, hello. So it's Saturday night. I'm tired. I did my live, my hashtag Mamas Be Live. It went pretty good. I went live for 2 hours. I'm tired. My baby just had her last bottle. As you can hear her in the back, she's pretty turned. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? So once my baby go to sleep, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully get some adult time, mommy and daddy time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, Days in the Life of a Mom vlog. Are you coming back? Okay. And you cannot play with a plastic bag, no ma'am. And yeah, we're just about to call it a night. Mel, do you want to say night-night? Oh, come here. Oh. Say night-night, mama. Say night-night. Night-night. Gusting. She got a cut on her eye. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. I will be going live. Is my boob out? I will be going live once or twice a month on Instagram. Hopefully YouTube soon. Any moms out there want to join my Mamas Be Live, hashtag Mamas Be Live. Once, twice a month. Let me know. Comment down below. DM me. And yeah, y'all, as always, thanks for watching. Peace.
With me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?